Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou, and this update kicks off with a genuine surprise that caught the entire crew off guard. A first-of-its-kind installation at South Goal that nobody was expecting to see this soon. From there, we're doing a full lap of the site, through the lateral trenches for a close look at the diamonds and glazing, over to North Goal to check the compression rings approach toward Tribuna. There's a lot to get through today, so let's not waste any time and dive straight in. This update brings a genuine surprise nobody was expecting. The first ever exterior louver panel section has gone up on a mobility core, and it wasn't installed the way anyone predicted. Instead of individual louvers going up one at a time, crews lifted an entire pre-assembled steel and aluminum frame carrying multiple louvers at once, hanging it directly onto the core's facade using mounting brackets. The whole thing stayed wrapped in plastic right up until the final reveal, and the installation took roughly 2 hours from first lift to final adjustment. It's the kind of moment that makes every visit to this site worth it. 3 of these louver panel sections are expected per core, and all 3 are now installed on this first mobility core, giving South Goal its most complete look yet. New LED lighting fixtures are being worked into the panel structure too. A close look shows some panels appear slightly darker than others. That's not a color mismatch, it's simply where a ventilation gap sits behind the louver rather than solid backing, which changes how light hits the surface. Overall, this corner is starting to feel like a genuinely finished piece of the stadium. At ground level, an excavator has been clearing away the mound of aggregate fill that had served as a temporary access ramp for site traffic, tidying up ahead of the upcoming home match. The South Goal corner near Travessera de la Cor continues serving as a staging area for louvers and piping, and a small leveling correction has been made to the jack arch beams in this stretch, though nothing major beyond that. The overall pace of cleanup here reflects how close the season opener is getting. Heading into the lateral trenches for a full walkthrough, the 3 diamond structures here remain a highlight of the summer's progress, with only the third and largest one still needing its props fully removed. Louver installation on the mobility core in this sector is well advanced, with the lower band finished and the upper section now underway, adding another louver roughly every visit at a steady pace. This corner is genuinely one of the more rewarding stretches to walk through right now. One of the largest diamonds in this stretch is being stripped at real speed. Scaffolding, props, and formwork are all coming off quickly, revealing the raw concrete underneath, while crews sweep away accumulated dust. A second diamond continues serving purely as a staging area, with material being loaded onto its upper level. A third diamond closer to North Goal has started rising with block walls and formwork, an early step in its own build that should pick up pace in the coming weeks. A new access walkway has just gone up in front of the mobility cores here, with one side already installed and the other close behind. Just behind the stairs and elevator core, the mechanical escalator that arrived on site a few days ago is now fully installed in position. The waterproofing test pool nearby has also been fully concreted over, and clay aggregate fill near the old farmhouse continues being cleared out, section by section, as the surrounding ground gets tidier. On the storefront-facing diamond, a corner support piece is now installed, a galvanized steel profile that will later be clad to match the surrounding panels, creating a clean seam where 2 glass sections meet. Individual glass panels here run around €6,000 each, and with 10 or more panels needed per structure plus framing and crane work, the investment in this single stretch is substantial. It's easy to underestimate the cost of glazing until you see the numbers laid out like that. Over at North Goal, sandwich panels have reached further into the mobility cores, and walls are now up on both of the cores in this stretch. Painters are the dominant presence throughout this corner, working through structural beams and applying white protective coating across multiple sections, with crews active both inside and outside the cores at once. It's clearly a painting-heavy phase for this part of the site right now. The compression ring here is closing in on Tribuna, with roughly 4 to 5 pillars remaining before this stretch links up. One of the recently installed radial beams is genuinely massive, easily comparable in scale to the largest pieces seen anywhere on site. Sleeper beams are also being lifted into position as crews continue preparing this corner for its final pillars. And the pace here has been picking up noticeably over the past few visits. With more structural components now arriving and being positioned, this section is gradually moving toward the final stages of the compression ring installation. The temporary supports around the working area are also becoming more organized, giving crews clearer access as each new component is prepared. Anchor bolt installation for louvers in this corner is moving more slowly than elsewhere, with the required holes drilled but supports not yet fitted. Much of the visible work here remains centered on painting and surface prep, rather than final cladding, though the groundwork being laid now sets up the louver phase still to come in this section. Once the remaining supports are installed, crews should be able to begin transferring the progress already seen in other corners into this part of the facade. For now, this remains one of the clearer gaps compared with the more advanced louver sections elsewhere around the stadium. Inside the VIP ring, painters continue working through wall sections, with rendering material and finishing touches being applied around support pillars and columns. Along the boundary between the second tier and the VIP ring, the dividing separation barrier is going up at a noticeably faster pace than in previous visits, with doors and partition sections increasingly visible throughout this stretch. These changes are gradually giving the hospitality areas a more defined layout, with the open construction spaces slowly being divided into their future individual sections. Moving into Tribuna, the escalator steps leading up to the VIP and premium salons are being fitted with stone paving, with more work expected here soon, given how central this passage is to matchday access. Blue protective fabric has gone up in the central Tribuna stretch too, marking active work beneath the cantilever on piping running through this section, alongside continued material staging for the compression ring. The combination of access work, finishing activity, and structural preparation makes this one of the busiest areas to keep watching as the stadium moves closer to its next major phase. Counting from the reference pillar, 5 remain before the compression ring reaches full closure at Tribuna, along with their radial beams and roughly 10 more falsework units still needing relocation. A new phalange box has been installed here, still supported by its lifting slings, while crews tighten the connecting bolts. 2 more falsework units mirror what's happening at North Goal, one already paired with its own pillar and radial beam facing outward. Each installation brings the remaining gap into sharper focus, and with only 5 pillars left, the final stretch is becoming easier to track from one visit to the next. On the shop diamond's exterior wall, 3 different brown tone samples have been applied side by side, clearly awaiting a decision on the final shade, a contrast against the neighboring ticket booth diamond, where rendering is already finished, while this sample wall still sits bare underneath. It's a small detail, but it signals the finishing decisions for these structures are getting close. Once the final tone is selected, the remaining exterior work should give this diamond a much more complete. That wraps up today's walk around Spotify Camp Nou, a genuine surprise with the first louver panel reveal at South Goal, 3 diamonds nearing completion in Lateral, and the compression ring down to just 5 pillars from closing out at Tribuna. Thanks so much for watching, and we're getting close to a big subscriber milestone. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe and give this one a like. See you in the next update.